Hi guys, it's Mr. Mummy. It's Monday, September 14th, and I just wanted to go over real quickly the two assignments that you're going to do for me today while you're at home. The first is your new homework sheet, which you received on Friday. It's also on my webpage, so you can look it up there if you forgot to get one. But what you're going to be writing today is what you are noticing. That's another part of metacognition. So while you're reading, what is it that you're noticing about what you're reading? So write that there. And then underneath it, it says, I think this is important because. So make sure you give me a reason on why you think it's important what you are noticing. All right, that's due Monday night. So make sure you get that done sometime during the day. The other thing you're going to be working on is some more landform activities. We're going to look at how Ohio was formed. Why are there hills in Ohio? Why are there plains? Why is there a big lake to the north of us? And why is there a big river to the south of us? And you're going to find out that the glaciers, a huge mass of ice 10,000 years ago, covered almost all of Ohio, and it helped shape the land. It helped flatten out some of the plains. It helped leave some dirt hills in the southern part of the state, and it left a huge puddle of water called Lake Erie north of Ohio. Now, in your Ohio book, which should also be at home, and if you forgot that, I will take a picture of page 14 and 15 so you can read those at home if you don't have your book. But you're going to read all about the glaciers on page 14 and on page 15, and then you're going to answer some cause and effect questions. Now, those cause and effect questions look like this. Okay, I did the first one for you where it says, what caused the climate to grow very cold? Now, there's a couple theories on how the glaciers formed. Some people think it was the tilt of the Earth and the orbit of the Earth changing slightly, which made everything colder. And another theory on the glaciers was a giant meteorite hit the Earth and blocked out the sun's rays for several years, causing the Earth's temperature to drop and all that ice to form. That was the cause of the glacier happening. The effect was the climate in Ohio grew very cold. So that's a cause statement. That's the effect. So your next question is going to be, glaciers weighed millions of tons and acted like giant bulldozers, pushing along everything in its way. What effect did that have? And you're going to write that next to the star. So wherever you see a star, you're either going to write what was the cause or what was the effect. So you're going to see on pages 14 and 15 that because glaciers weighed millions of tons and acted like a bulldozer, it flattened the land and caused the till plains and the lake plains to form in Ohio. Okay, so that's the cause and effect side. On this side of the sheet, you're going to answer some of the questions at the top. Wherever you see a box like this, you're going to write in a bordering state. So look at a map of Ohio or the Midwest part of the United States, and you can see which were the bordering states that go around Ohio. So there's a state here, 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 and here. These lines are bodies of water that form our borders. There's a big lake up here, write its name there. And there's a big river down here, so write its name there. And then these are the different landforms in Ohio. And if you look at the map on page 14, it shows you those landforms with the green, the pink, and the yellow. So make sure you read the map key at the bottom here to see what those landforms were. And then you're going to color in your map, and it tells you what colors to use up here. So that's basically it. You're going to do your language arts. You're going to write what you are noticing while you read. Then you're going to read pages 14 and 15 in your social studies book. And then you're going to do the cause and effect and the map side. All right, that's it, guys. Hope it's not too difficult. If you have any trouble, make sure you send me an email or you go to the little help screen, and I will try to answer you as quickly as I can. All right, see ya.